Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Spectrum cable box. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you're experiencing issues with your cable box such as freezing, missing channels or no signal, a simple reset can often resolve the problem. So there's a couple of ways how to do this. So the first way is to do a manual reset, which is a power cycle. So unplug the power cord from the back of the box here and then wait for about 60 seconds to allow the device to fully power down. Then plug the power cord back in and wait for the box to reboot. This process may take a few minutes, but be patient here. This method is effective for resolving common issues like frozen screens or sluggish performance. We can also do a reset using the remote control. So on your remote, hold the menu and OK buttons together. Continue holding until the Spectrum logo appears on your TV, indicating the box is restarting. This approach is useful when you prefer not to unplug the device physically. Another way what we can do is reset via Spectrum account online. So head on over to spectrum.net and then go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Then navigate to services section, click on the TV tab, then select experience and issues and then click on reset equipment. This method allows you to reset your cable box remotely without physical interaction. Another thing what we can try is using the reset button on the cable box. So depending what type of box you got, you can locate the reset button. It's typically found on the front of the box or the back panel may be labeled as reset. Press and hold the reset button for at least 10 seconds, then release the button and allow the box to reboot.